Alright, did some research. This is stupid, don't ever do it. 303 British, 410. This is a 410 handgun. But if you look, there's no way for this bullet to build up any pressure. It's just going to come out. I'm still going to shoot this. I'm going to be looking away while I do it. Single shot. You back up. 303 British, 410 handgun at the safe. Here we go. Nothing. Come on up here. Don't. I'm not even sure where it hit. I know for a fact that ain't it because it didn't have no pressure coming out here. We'll pop it open here. The only reason the case bulges out because this is a 45, this is a 30 caliber. In a survival situation, you can shoot these 303 British out of a 410. It fits in there. It's the exact same foot. Will have any stopping power? I don't think so. All right, bye.